Hello everyone, we are here to interview someone else for our Stra Festival, the moment during the Festival of Web Marketing in Italy, where we try to understand how is the situation abroad, how is the future about web marketing, entrepreneur and opportunities that we can have not just in Italy. So we are here for a special person. We are here with Vladimir. Can you introduce you, Vladimir, please?
Sure, Sylvia. My name is Vladimir, and I'm kind of like entrepreneur, but also supporting the Sofia Municipal Council for digital transformation and international collaboration. Yeah, we are very happy to be in Rimini right now. Thank you very much to the host from With My Future. Thank you to you. And we really had a great chance to promote what's happening in Bulgaria in the recent years. You know, it's been tough years with COVID, like we didn't really travel, and we are very happy. Actually, it's very useful. It was very useful. We met like 12 countries here, not only from Europe, but also from Australia, Canada, and it's a great mingle. And right now, I think that there are really immediate challenges that we need to address. You know, in Europe we have like inflation, military conflicts, but also global warming, you know, poverty, inequality, pollutions. And all those topics, they really are a great opportunity for business.
Yeah. I want to speak a little about that business because before with Jörg, we spoke about Jörg, sorry, the name. We spoke about Sofia, and Sofia is not is a little part of Bulgaria, an important part, but how is the life in Bulgaria? I'm curious about the style of life, for example.
Yeah, well, that's very important to be mentioned, you know, especially here when probably there are people that have never been to Bulgaria or to Sofia. Well, Sofia, from one side, it's a very big portion of Bulgaria economy, like over 40% of the economy.
Wow.
But of course, there is also life beyond Sofia. What is very important to be mentioned about Sofia is that in the recent years, Sofia and Bulgaria became to be very innovative and, let's say, driven for innovation and product development destination. You know, like 15 years ago, we were mainly outsourcing industries in Bulgaria. We've been famous that we are low cost, you know, we are cheaper to produce there, and the investments and the companies were coming for those reasons. But nowadays, many Europeans and also people from all over the globe are coming or moving to live in Bulgaria because now they can invent, they can produce, they can create different products and solutions. I mean, there is science right now, there is funding, you know, there is the whole environment for startupping and for entrepreneurship.
So are you trying to attract entrepreneurs and from which country especially? From all over the world or especially from Europe?
Well, everyone is welcome. You know, we see in Bulgaria that especially Italians, they feel very well. They're very warm because in a way the culture is more or less similar. You know, we all like Dolce Vita, yeah. But also, you know, it's very easy to start your life there. Also, you know, to start living in there, but also to incorporate a company to do the startupping or entrepreneurial operations. That's why many you know, people are already coming there. Yeah. Also, we are a very safe country. We did very well with the COVID, so now it's also another good thing for people to know. Yeah. So yes, we are attracting people. We are kind of like a regional tech hub because all those countries around, pretty much they're coming now to Bulgaria. People from all those countries.
How are you able to help an entrepreneur to come to Bulgaria and to try to explore the market, explore opportunities, and which type of companies would you like to attract?
Well, first of all, when I used to work for the government, luckily in the recent years we've developed in Bulgaria a couple of organizations that only support the soft landing of foreigners that are willing to come. Foreigners that are willing to establish or incorporate in Bulgaria. So this is like Invest Sofia agency, you know, this is the municipal agency for soft lending and for investor support. We have like a Bulgarian National Investment Agency. We have Bulgarian Venture Capital Association, which consults our entrepreneurs about what type of funding they can get. Yeah, and this is only from the business side. but also those organizations are willing to support people to start their life, literally where to live, where the kids to go to kindergarten, and just basic stuff which are very essential. And regarding your question about the industries, Bulgaria is very famous for ICT, software development, and of course technology industries. Now there are a couple of clusters like healthcare, like new technologies, ed tech, like educational tech, artificial intelligence, frontier technologies. Yeah, we just launched in Bulgaria. It was just a couple of months ago. A new institute for artificial intelligence.
Wow.
Yeah, exactly. Its name is Insight. Yeah, it's a very contemporary, and it's this institute has its affiliation with Switzerland and some of the global most famous destinations for researchers in that type.
Very interesting. I want to speak about the language
Sure.
because Bulgarian appears difficult or challenging, but you speak a very good English, and I don't know. Is it possible to live in Bulgaria?
Of course.
Just
of course.
with English?
Sure. Yes. First of all, yes. Because Bulgaria is a small country, people usually speak very many languages. Apart of English, Italian is very popular language in Bulgaria, but also like French and Spanish. So in Bulgaria, the foreigners are not really feeling foreigners. I mean, in terms of language, it's very easy, especially in the capital city, but not only in the regional hubs, at the coast, on the mountain. Pretty much people are going to find themselves like not feeling that they are abroad.
Okay. Was your first time in Italy?
No,
No.
not at all. Gladly, I really like Italy, but it's first time in Rimini, and first time at WMF, and I'm very happy. And of course, hopefully, we're going to come again on the next edition.
Okay. If you are interested in expand your business in Bulgaria, or if you are interested in something about being an entrepreneur in Bulgaria, or to explore about startups and joint venture, maybe you can contact the Camera di Commercio Italiana, and
Definitely.
yes, that has a lovely program and a good program to understand how to improve that situations. And at the end, I've asked all my interviewer or my hosts, sorry, about a keyword for that festival, or a keyword about something that, in your opinion, is important for our future, for We Make Future.
Well, one key word that describes the experience over here. Well, it's very exciting. This is the key word, and I'm going to explain why. We couldn't really travel for very long, but also in Italy, in Rimini, very beautiful, very international, very well organized, and lots of opportunities. Because nowadays, if it's not the international collaboration, it's one of the greatest factors for mutual success between different countries, different teams, different people, and different organizations. So exciting.
Thank you, because also for me, networking, collaboration is the most important part of our works, and it's the opportunity to grow continually, continues in our world, in our job, and in our life.
Exactly.
Also.
Exactly.
So thank you, Vladimir.
Sylvia, it was
See
great
you
pleasure.
soon.
Yep.
Great pleasure.
Take care.
Take care.
Yeah, and good luck to WMF.
Yes, and see you soon for another Stra Festival interview.